Hi everyone, this lesson is all about knowing how to hold the steering wheel when backing up in a straight line. You could back up for a mile if you know how to hold the steering wheel properly. So just watch how I'm going to do this. I'm going to be backing up all the way down the road. So first, you can back up like this, but you have more stability if you have your hand at the back of the seat over here. So just extend your arm to the seat, and then you hold the steering wheel not at the number 9 position or down here, but you hold it at the top. Once you hold it at the top, then you have total control. So now I'm going to be backing up in a straight line all the way down the road, down to the next street. So I have my hand here, hold the wheel at the top, and my hand here, and then all I have to do is look out the back window. And you don't want to be speeding while you're doing this. Just keep looking to the front and the side, and you can back up for a mile if you had to. Now there's a car approaching from the rear, so I should just have my right signal on, and then I can actually stop, let them go by, and then continue. You see how far I've been backing? All the way down there at the stop sign. Oh, there's a car behind. Okay, so I'm on the move again. Just gonna back up all the way to the next street. And that's it. And see, I have backed up in a straight line, no problem. Okay, that's the end of this lesson. Short but spicy. Thank you.